What the heck is this? Am I recording this video right after the last video, or am I a huge slob and wearing the same clothes as I did 2 days ago? Both answers are correct. Hi! Welcome to Beater Box Sunday. It's me, the most professional, best YouTuber in the world. SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. Add a .com to it. That's how you visit the website. 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. All the shoes from this box, unless someone on GOAT gets to them first, will be for sale. And remember, tax and shipping in the US is always included. Like I said, it's Beater Box Sunday. This box is another one from Sole Supremacy. This one was $625 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. So without any Italian beefs to provide to the great people of the city of Chicago, I knew I had to jump into action, much like the coach Mike Ditka did in the 1985 NFL playoffs. So what do? I put on my favorite Brian Urlacher jersey, my nicest pair of Chicago Bears sweatpants, and headed to my local Joel Asco to talk to Tam, the best butcher in the entire Chicagoland area, for a grand total of $665. This whole thing is just gonna get more and more ridiculous, and I love it. These boxes are priced under market by Sole Supremacy to make you some money, so follow along with Clarence. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market. Then we're gonna break it down at the end of the video to show you how much I paid versus how much the box is actually worth. And remember, the prices that show up on your screen are not how much the shoes are for sale for. That's just the market value. Usually the shoes are for sale on my website under market. So hey, there's that. Let's open the box. Friday's box. You hadn't had a chance to watch it. Here it is. Wasn't good, wasn't bad. It was just kind of meh. Sometimes boxes are gonna be meh. There's nothing you can do about it. I don't control that stuff, neither do you. So hey. Well, that's a really good sign. So first of all, Sole Supremacy said they were gonna be throwing some like Sole gear in some of their boxes, and they definitely did it in this one. So there are two Sole Supremacy apparel things. There's a olive green Sole Supremacy hoodie in a size medium. It looks pretty comfortable. I'm gonna be giving this away. So maybe tomorrow with the Q&A episode, we'll be giving this away, I guess. And there's also a size small of a long sleeve heather gray Sole Supremacy shirt. This is actually pretty clean. Nothing on the back. It's got the Sole Supremacy logo on the right breast, which is pretty cool. This is a champion shirt, so it's actually really high quality. So size small, yeah, this is gonna be given away too. So be sure to tune in tomorrow. The rest of the box doesn't look that good either. So there's a lot of loose shoes in here, and there's a lot of loose shoes that I have no idea what they are. So we're just gonna get those out of the way first. So this first one is a size 8.5. Some kind of tubular something. It's got the, I don't know what these are. I'm not gonna look it up because I like being put on the spot like this. I'm not an expert, especially when it comes to Adidas, but it's just a size 8.5 clean white tennis shoe. I don't know what it is. It's not a tubular. I have no idea what this is, so it's probably not worth much. Or maybe it is. I don't know, it's Adidas, I'm not good at that. Nor am I good at much anything else. Size 8.5, some kind of Adidas something. Got another size 8.5, this is the same model but a different colorway. These are actually worn though, you can see the bottoms are a little bit discolored and worn, so don't know what these are all about. Yeah, the outsole's like either gum or it's just discolored icy bottoms, I don't know. These can't be worth much either, so there you go, size 8.5, some kind of Adidas. Then, we have a size 7.5, 2.0 Ultra Boost, the gold medal. These are, I mean, you can see, these are just absolutely thrashed. Look at all the discoloration on the outsole, on the midsole especially. Outsole's got a lot of tread missing on it. No insoles either. Can't be worth much. This box is looking real bad already. So hey, we got a pair of dead stock. Size 11, yeah, I think 2013 or 2012. These are the GRAPE 5s. This is not the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air ones that came out last year, but a little bit of discoloration on the bottoms. They're dead stock. They look like they haven't been worn at all. They don't have a box though, so that's kind of weird. No creasing, no wear on the bottoms. just no box. It's got the lace locks too, so that's pretty cool. Grape 5s in dead stock condition in a size 11. Probably not worth much either, but hey, whatever. Size 11 Air Max Plus. Well, size 11 Air Max Plus. There you go. Some kind of white creamish colorway with a little bit of red on the bottom. These are super lightly worn. They're just not dead stock, so yeah. Not gonna spend time on these because there's probably not much money in them, so there you go. Size 11 Air Max Plus. This box is real bad. Size 5.5 Youth Air Jordan 5 Retro BG. Well, they're dead stock at least. This is the blue suede 5s that came out, I wanna say like 2 or 3 years ago. It's just, I mean, these are not the Laneys, obviously, but yeah, not really much to say. Blue shoes, for some reason, don't seem to do as well as a lot of other colorways. I don't know why. I think blue shoes look really great, but it's a size 5.5 Youth, dead stock shape, suede blue 5. Meh. What's retail on it? 140. This is probably going for like 110 now, but can you tell my excitement about this box? Woo! The box is a replacement box. This is some kind of Air Max 95. Oh, wait a minute. This is the Stussy collaboration. Okay, what size is this? It's a size 9 Stussy Air Max 95. These are a little bit older, I think. Yeah, they're from like 2015. Oh, I thought it smelled like a basement. It does not, but this is not a colorway I like, but this is definitely better than just some random old Air Max 95. You can see Stussy International branding on the tongue. There is Stussy branding on the outsole too, but you can see not much wear at all. All the nipples are still there. There you go. Good size. Size 9 too. Stussy Air Max 95s. It's some kind of like olive green, army green colorway. So there's 2 more in here. They're both Jordans. I already know what one of them is. This is a size 10 Jordan 6. This is a very, very lightly worn pair of the infrared 6s, the white colorway. They just retroed the infrared black ones that came out. Unlike the black ones, this is an all leather upper. The black ones are like suede or something, but very clean. I mean, there's hardly any toe box creasing on these. A little bit of wear on the outsoles, a little bit of discoloration. These just need a quick cleanup and they'll be good to go. So size 10, infrared 6s, the white colorway. I don't know what these are going for, but decent size and it's a good model. A lot of people like 6s, so there you go. Boom. We got one more in here. I can tell by the box already what it is. This is a gigantic Air Jordan 6 in a size 11. I forgot to say the size. This is the Air Jordan 6 Retro Pinnacle. It's got this all gold upper. You can see hardly any creasing throughout. These are in great shape. Just a little bit of outsole discoloration and wear. Cleaned up, these will be good as new. So these are probably going for like $250 to $300 now, I would imagine. This is just an odd colorway, a little bit of a scuff right there on the upper, so that'll definitely make it not $250 to $300, so probably around $225. There you go, size 11, all gold Air Jordan 6 Retro Pinnacle. So the last couple of shoes were pretty okay, but overall this box is pretty not great. I'm not gonna say anything bad about it because it's a mystery box of sneakers. I know what I signed up for when I bought it. So let's just go ahead and give this box a grade. This might be rough. Let's go ahead and give this box a grade through 3 categories. Condition, sizes, value. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 pairs of shoes in this $625 Sole Supremacy beater box. Looks like 2 of them are dead stock. 4 of them have no box. At least 1 of them has a replacement box. Condition on this box, not good. I'm gonna say a C-. Sizes, we have 8.5, 8.5, 7.5, 11, 5.5 Youth, 11, 9, 10, and 11. Sizes actually are not bad. Yeah, sizes are actually pretty okay. We'll say about a B+. Value. Oh boy. I think we'll be lucky to break even on this box just because of those first 3 shoes. Oh, oof. Value on this box, I gotta say a D. So the grade of C- for condition, the grade of B+ for sizes, and the grade of D for value. This $625 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of C-. Wow. So I'm nervous about this box being bad. Am I right though? Maybe. Big down! Yeah, I don't know if the value's here, but I can tell you those first 3 shoes, I'm gonna have to sell them for like dirt cheap because otherwise they're just gonna sit here. I don't know. Check the website at 6 o'clock p.m. today because they might be up there for wicked, wicked cheap. So I appreciate you taking the time. Remember to leave some questions on the haul video right there for me to answer in tomorrow's haul / Q&A video thing, so that should be pretty cool. And that's all I got for you. Till next time, take care of each other and I will see you. Toodles! Toodly-doo! Bye.